Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sandeep, Head of Department Physiotherapy. We will be making some self-exercise videos on knee.
Hi, I'm going to teach you knee exercises which help you in reducing your knee pains, and people who have chronic conditions where you will be having knee pain for a longer time. By these exercises it will reduce your knee pains. So first of all, we'll start off with the knee stretching exercises before going to the basic knee joint strengthening exercises. So starting with the quadriceps stretching, so you can stand in this position, flex your knee joint, then extend it so that it touches your buttocks. This will give a proper stretch to the quadriceps muscle. Then followed by the hamstring stretching exercise. So first of all, you can just place a table in front. You can place your ankle on that table and just try to press your knee joint down. This will give you a stretch to the hamstring muscle. Okay. Next, coming to the iliac psoas muscle. This stretch you can do it like, for example, if you are giving a stretch on the right side, then first of all you have to place your left knee joint forward. Your upper body should be straight, then move forward. By this you can feel a stretch on the iliac side, and this iliac psoas muscle will be in stretch position, and you will find a lot of relief if you have knee pain over at this region. Then coming to the next stretch, that is piriformis stretch. You can do this stretch by lying down on the floor. Coming to the piriformis stretch, for example, if you are giving stretch on the right side, so you have to place your knee joint, on the right foot on this left knee joint and try to give pressure on the opposite side. By giving pressure, you can feel a stretch on this piriformis muscle. So these are some of the stretches before you start off for knee exercises. So we'll start off with the basic exercises. So the first exercise is for the quadriceps muscle. You can place a towel or bed sheet or a round ball like this and try to press your knee joint down and hold on for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and come back to normal. So this is the first exercise, and it's a basic and very important exercise. So like that you can do 15 sets. Then the second exercise is straight leg raising. You can call it in a short form like SLR. So straight leg raising should be at 45 degrees of angle. For example, I have raised my leg, I should be able to see my toe. So that's the angle. So till 45 degrees of angle, then hold on for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now you have completed one set. Like that you have to do 15 sets. So the next, followed by knee range of motion exercise. You can flex your knee joint like this. Get that knee joint onto your chest and hold on for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then get back to normal. So you have completed now one set. Like that you can do 15 sets. So the next exercise is for the abductors and the adductors. You can place a ball or a towel or a bed sheet or a pillow and press that ball with both the knee joints and hold on for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then get back to normal. Now you have completed one set. Like that you can do 15 sets initially. Okay, progressively as you do it better, you can increase the number of sets. So the next exercise, you can do this exercise in a chair. Like, raise your leg straight parallel to the chair, hold on for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then get back to normal. Now you have completed one set. Like that you can do 15 sets. So now we can do the same exercise by putting on some weight near the ankle. Raise your leg straight parallel to the chair, hold on for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then get back to normal. So these are the basic exercises for the knee joint which can be done at home with normal basic whatever things which are available at home, like using a pillow or a towel. And some of the do's and don'ts are like, don't sit on the floor, no stair climbing, no cross leg sitting, as well as don't use Indian toilets.
For any further queries or any doubts you have, you can contact us at
The AIG Hospital Physiotherapy and Rehabilitation Department.